Hello, my name is Francisco. Welcome to another episode of Codefresh Chronicles. This time, we'll explore the scalability features of our product. There are multiple reasons to use Codefresh to manage your GitOps deployments and operations, especially when you need it to scale. And scalability is going to be our focus today. We'll review the process of installing a runtime and, more importantly, how to manage any number of GitOps runtimes, all from a single control plane. So let's start from the beginning. No matter the scale, you will always need at least one runtime to start deploying your applications. In this demo, I'm going to start by showing you how to install the first GitOps runtime on your Codefresh account. To install a GitOps runtime, go to the admin section of your account and click the GitOps runtimes option from the main menu. Once there, follow the instructions on the wizard to install your runtime in your cluster. The installation just requires you to run a single Helm command. It's that simple. Great. Now we have a healthy and fully functional GitOps runtime. With a single GitOps runtime, you can manage and deploy thousands of applications. As a matter of fact, we have customers managing more than 5,000 applications with a single runtime. But there are multiple reasons why you might need more than one GitOps runtime. It could be a technical reason. For example, a single GitOps runtime doesn't have access to all the destination clusters your company deploys to. It could also be just an organizational decision. For example, each development team, each application team must have its own runtime. Regardless of the case, there could be scenarios where you need more than one. We actually have a very good blog about all the different Argo CD architectures. I recommend you check it out to understand which architecture better fits your use case and scenario. Going back to our scalability topic, you know that as the number of Argo CD instances grows, the complexity of managing and monitoring them also increases. The question is now, how can we effectively manage all those GitOps runtimes for Argo CD instances at scale? Naturally, the answer is with Codefresh. In the same way I previously installed my first GitOps runtime, you can install multiple runtimes in a single Codefresh account. We don't charge you for that. You can have 100 runtimes if you need to. This is the runtime list view, where you have complete visibility of all your GitOps runtimes, their status, and their current version, all from a single place. I can see the details of my runtimes, their name, number of managed clusters or destination clusters. But if you want a more visual representation of your architecture, we also have the topology view. It will help you quickly understand how your GitOps runtimes are connected to all different destination clusters. Now, let's review in detail the components of a GitOps runtime. In the Runtime Components tab, we can see all the elements of a runtime. We have Argo rollouts, Argo workflows, and of course, Argo CD. In addition to that, we have Codefresh specific components. For all of them, you can see the version each component is using and its status. Imagine if you had to install and maintain this manually. Using the open source projects, for example, you'll need to update each of those components individually. But that's not the most challenging part. The complexity of updating all these components is that you need to confirm there's interoperability among the components. Otherwise, things won't work. And when you have to do that every single time there's a new version for a certain component, it could be tedious and hard to maintain. Even more, if you have multiple instances of Argo CD, workflows, or events, or all of them. Fortunately, Codefresh verifies this interoperability for every new runtime version we release. But how can you update your runtime? And more importantly, how do you know if an update is available? In the list view of your GitOps runtimes, we have the version column. It will let you know if a runtime needs an update and what's the new version available. Also, in case you don't visit that page that often, you can also subscribe to the Artifact Hub page of our GitOps runtime Helm chart, and you will get an email when a new version is released. Updating the runtime is a straightforward process. Since the GitOps runtime is distributed and packaged as a Helm chart, that also means you can manage it as an Argo CD application. In this case, I have this umbrella Helm chart, which is deployed as an Argo CD app, and to update this runtime, I just need to change the reference here. It's that easy. After that, the Argo City instance installed in my runtime will pick up the changes and will update itself. And that's it for today. I hope you have found this information useful. I hope it is clear now that with our GitOps runtime, you can scale not only the number of Argo City applications you manage, but also the administration of those GitOps runtimes or Argo City instances, covering aspects such as interoperability, security, and visibility. Thank you.